Open up the card. Open up the card. Can you open it up? Who's that from? Is that from Grandma and Grandpa?
You know what? That'd be good.
Yay, the card made it. Yay. Open it up. What's, oh, be nice. What's in there?
Chris? The barbecue would be awesome, fried up in eggs for breakfast.
Oh, well, let's try it. Yay, nice card. Yeah.
I have a feeling that things will
I'm
not be
going to give you
going
that to
into
play
cards
with.
tonight.
Very nice.
Yeah, that's.
Thank you,
that's
Grandma
really-
and Grandpa. Very nice. She looks like she's reading it.
She does.
It'll make your mom happy.
Oh, yeah.
Such
Good
a sweet
girl.
lady. That's a sweet card.
Oh. Yeah. Wow.
Did you get that on video?
Yeah. Awesome, girl. Thank you.